Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. So I was working in the garden just now. I was mowing the grass and just wanted to take a little break, and I came by to sit down on the wall here, as you guys have seen in my previous video when I built this, and I thought, man, it would be nice if the mulberries were ripening. And then I just took a look, because on the outside you really can't see any ripe ones, but in here underneath there's just like a ton of them on the floor already. They're like just falling down, so you can see tons of them all over the place here, super ripe ones, and they're quite delicious. My wife and I just had a bunch, and when you look up in here underneath, you can just see a ton of ripe ones just all over the tree. So I'm gonna just pick a few here. But what we are likely going to do... Oh, there's a cool bug over there. I've never seen that one before. What we're going to do is just bring tarp. I'm going to clear out some of the weeds and nettle underneath here, and put a tarp underneath, and then just shake it and get some of these wonderful mulberries to eat. You can really see there's quite a few up here, and they're really delicious. So anyway, just thought I'd share that with you guys. Super quick one, and let's show one close up. Here's one. Can you actually see it though? Hold on. Yeah. So if somebody hasn't ever tried one of these, they're not something you usually find in the store, because they don't ship well. Once they get ripe, they get very, very soft, and you pretty much can't pack these. You have to eat them. They go great in shakes, or just eating them raw, you know, just as they are. You can see just from touching it like this, it's already kind of getting crushed in my hand, just from rolling it between my fingers just lightly. So they don't pack well, and that's why you don't usually see them in the stores. The ones that fall to the ground are usually the tastiest, because they're the sweetest and the most ripe ones. You can see a bunch kind of right there as well. And yeah, it's just one of the wonderful things about having your own garden and having your own tree, that you can just come out and pick and forage a little bit while you're working, and really good nutrients. And obviously anything that's dark like this, like purple, like grapes and blueberries, they have lots of polyphenols and other healthful nutrients and antioxidants. So I'm gonna get to eating some of these with my wife, and then get back to work. See you guys in the next one. Bye.